All right, the highlight for Monday, up real big. Get back some of those gains, still up, but when could you catch a turn? Well, first of all, if you ever look for targets, you should call them magnets. It makes a little bit more sense that we could go somewhere. So if we're trading down here, if we get through an iceberg, that's what this red line is. It's an iceberg order. I often say it's a magnet. So we get below it and they break them, and we'll take this lower chart. This is kind of like looking through a magnifying glass. It blows up. This bottom chart blows up this top chart. So what do we do here? What do we see? If this price is going to be a magnet and we're trading below it, it was about 5 points in the S&P, you could be bullish, but you can't just buy it because it can go down a lot before it turns around and comes up and becomes a magnet. What you look for and what we talk about is when selling comes in and it goes down, it's supposed to, like those red boxes. When it starts to come in and it doesn't go down like this first example, and then this is example number two, these are purple boxes which show buying. All of a sudden, you've got the iceberg to create a magnet. That's an order flow skill set. You got big buyers and sellers to show what's supposed to happen that isn't. That's an order flow skill set. So you've got, in a sense, your ready, aim, fire progression. Your magnet of where the market could go if we're trading below it like that. And then down in here, let's erase some of these illustrations. Down in here is the order flow analysis in real time. And don't tell me if you're watching this video, real time is the biggest weakness of any trader, beginning, experience, master. Real time becomes your weakness when you're not trading well. If you're a master, if you've never learned to trade, it's because you never got into real time analysis, which is the fight that happens in every area, at every price, throughout the session, throughout a chart. And most people will go down many, many different paths if they ever get to the right path, which is the governing principle, what makes price move. We do. People, buyers, sellers, what should happen, what doesn't happen. We're watching a fight. So if you're watching the UFC or a boxing match, if you're an expert at watching what these fighters are doing, you have a better opinion as to who's winning, who's tired, where are some of those signs to find pivotal transitional moments of a fight. That's what a good announcer does, right? Good announcer gives you insight to what he sees that you might not see as a person watching at home in that fight. And then what the other guy has to do and everything else. What has to happen. So again, important. Big sellers came in to highlight a time to maybe get long for it to rally to what was a magnet, which was that iceberg. And what did they do? They went in there and took them out. Good luck. Stay safe and subscribe.